Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me HONOR X7A, and now I'm gonna show you how to recover deleted photos and videos from the gallery's recycle bin. For example, as you can see, now I need to open the gallery. Open. Great. Now I will remove several images. I will click delete, delete, great. And how to recover it. So you have only 30 days to recover. After this time, photos and videos will be permanently removed. But click albums, scroll down, find recently deleted. Here you will see recently deleted photos and videos, and click restore. Choose photos you want to recover and click restore. That's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, and bye. See you.